In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Chrome read documents and web pages aloud. This feature can be incredibly helpful whether you're multitasking, have visual impairments, or simply prefer listening to content rather than reading it. So, let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open the Chrome Web Store. This can be easily done by typing the words Chrome Web Store in your browser's search bar. Once you're there, you'll need to search for extensions designed to convert text to speech. Simply type in terms like read aloud or text-to-speech extensions in the search box. The web store offers a variety of options, so feel free to take a moment to explore the different extensions that cater to this purpose. Next, you'll need to add one of these extensions to your browser. A popular choice is an extension called Read Aloud, a text-to-speech voice reader. When you find this extension, click on the Add to Chrome button. You may be prompted to confirm your selection, so go ahead and follow through with that. Once you've completed this step, the extension will be integrated into your Chrome browser. Now that you've successfully added the extension, you will notice a new icon next to your browser's search bar. This icon usually looks like an orange megaphone, and it's your gateway to hearing your documents and web pages read aloud. Click on the icon and the extension will begin reading the visible text on your current page. It's as simple as that. To enhance your listening experience, the extension comes with customizable settings. Clicking on the gear icon associated with the extension will allow you to adjust various settings such as voice type and reading speed. If you find that the default voice or speed isn't to your liking, these adjustments can make a world of difference. Moreover, you don't always have to listen to an entire page if that's not what you need. If you have specific text or a paragraph you wish to hear, simply highlight the text, right-click, and select the Read Aloud option from the context menu. This can be particularly useful if you're working with large documents or just want to focus on a particular section. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can transform your browser into a tool that not only displays information, but reads it to you in a clear, audible manner. Whether for leisure or productivity, using Google Chrome in this way can offer a rich and versatile browsing experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to experiment with different voices and speeds until you find your ideal setup. Thank you for watching, and have a great time exploring what Google Chrome now has to offer.